Before this video ends, I'm going to show you how you can build a full website or even a mobile app using AI with just one line of text. And for free. Yes, free. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe right now, because I post videos like this that can literally change your life. Now imagine this. You have an idea for an app or a website, but you don't know how to code, and you think it's going to cost thousands of dollars. What if I told you that today, in just a few minutes, you can turn that idea into something real using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 free AI tools in 2026 that can build websites and apps for you automatically, even if you've never written a single line of code. And here's the craziest part. The last tool I'm going to show you is so powerful, it can create apps that look like they were built by professional developers. So don't skip. Seriously. Let's get into it. Number 1 is Lovable.dev. This tool is insanely simple. You just type what you want, like create a modern business website, and it instantly generates it for you. No coding, no stress, just results. Number 2 is Anything AI. This one is super flexible and allows you to create different types of apps and websites quickly. Whether it's a landing page or a full project, it gets the job done fast. Number 3 is Claude AI. Now this is where things start to look really professional. Claude can generate better structure, cleaner design, and more advanced features. If you want something that looks high quality, this is the tool to use. And finally, Gemini AI. This one is on a whole different level. It's powerful, fast, and incredibly smart. You can build full projects, improve your design, and even get ideas to make your app better. This is easily one of the best AI tools right now. Now here's what you need to do next. I've already created full step-by-step tutorials for each of these tools where I show you exactly how to build your website, publish it, and even create real apps people can use. So go check the links in the description or comments right now and start building your own project today. And if you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because this is just the beginning. Let's go.